Yes. So dear students, we are discussing exercise 2.5, and from 2.5 we are discussing question number 4. Question number 4 is express in kg. Okay, express in kilogram, and the first question is 200 gram. Now you are knowing that the relation between gram and kilogram is just 1000. Why 1000? You are knowing that 1 kg, the word k represent 1000 over here. है ना? So that kg, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So here the unit is smaller, that is gram. The question is in gram. So if you have to convert into kg, you just need to divide, because जब भी हमारे पास smaller unit दी हुई होती है and we have to go to the higher unit, so smaller से higher में जाने के लिए we just simply divide by that particular number what is the relation in that. ठीक है? So we will divide it by 1000, so it will give you 0.200 kg. Now second question, it is telling 3470 gram. The same thing, you will divide it by 1000 and the answer will remain 3.470 kg. Now question number 3, 4 kg 8 gram. Same process again. 4 kg 8 gram means it will be 4.008 kg. Four was 200 gram. So 200 gram divided by 1000, which will give us 0.200 kg. In second one, 3470 gram. So you will divide it by 1000. It will give you 3.470 kg. Then the last one, it's 4 kg 8 gram. So when you will divide it by 1000, it will give you 4.008 kg. This will be the answer for this particular question. Now question number 5 is to write down the decimal in expanded form. The first question is 20.03. So just simply you have to write it down, 20 plus 3 upon 100. Because there is no place of 10th over here, it is written only 0 in place of 10th place. In place of 100th we have 3. So it will be 20 and 3 upon 100. Now move on to the next one, 2 and 3 upon 100. The last one, 200 and 3 upon 100. And the very last, it will be 2 and 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. Now question number 6 from the same exercise. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. The first one is 2.56. 2.56. Now you are knowing the place of 2 is here before the decimal, not after the decimal. It's just before the decimal. It means it is in whole number part, not in decimal part. And whole number part, you can see it is written in ones. So here the place value of 2 is only ones. So you can simply write it down 2 ones. The second one is written here 21.37. Again 2 is written in whole number part, not in decimal part. And this time 2 is written in tens place. So the correct answer for this particular question will be 2 tens. Now let's move on to third one, 10.25. Now 10.25, this time 2 has come in decimal part. ठीक है, and decimal part में the first value it is written of 2. So 2 is written in the place of 10th. So the correct answer will be 2 tenth. Now move on to fourth one, 9.42. Again 2 is in decimal part, and this time the decimal part 10th place. Sorry, 100th place. So it will be now 200th. And the last one is 63.352. 352. It means again decimal part, and decimal part last place. It means 10th, 100th and 1000. So the correct answer will be 2000. So the first one is 2 ones, second one is 2 tens, third one is 2 tenth, fourth one is 200, and the last one is 2000. In this question, it is telling that you have to find out the place value of 2. in every particular question. ठीक है, तो अगर आप ये वाला देखो which is written and which I have written on the board, you will find this is whole number part and this is decimal part. So this time decimal is written in this 2 is written in decimal number part. ठीक है, so we don't need to see whole number part. इसको अभी हम छोड़ देते हैं. We will only see this one. Why this one? Because we have to find out the place value of 2. And 2 कहाँ पर आ रहा है? यहाँ पे decimal part में बेटा. So हमने केवल इसको देखा. Now you see this. This is the place of 10th. ठीक है? This is the place of 100. This is the place of 1000. Now you have to find out the place value of 2. 2 कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ बेटा? 10th place पे. So we will call that place value of 2 is equals to 2 10. Finish. और अगर यही वाला 2 बेटा इस बार अगर इधर पे आता 4 की प्लेस पे आता then we would have told 2000 not 210. ठीक है, just depend on the place where 2 it is written. ठीक है, where 2 is written. Now question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to B, from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Now here if you will see Dinesh is moving two places. First he is moving A से B पर जा रहा है. A से B का distance बेटा in the question only it is given here 7.5. Then it is written that he is moving from there to place C and जो कि कितनी दी हुई है बेटा 12.7 kilometer. It means he is moving two distances. Then it is telling that another student that is Ayub went from place A to D. He is moving another place that A से D वाली place. ठीक है, A से D that is 9.3 kilometer and then he is moving C to D there which is 11.8 kilometer. ठीक है, now it is asking who traveled more, Dinesh or Ayub. So beta this it is a very simple question. You just need to add the distances which is traveled by Ayub and Dinesh separately. First you will solve for Dinesh. Dinesh has moved to two places. One place is 7.5, another one is 12.7. And whereas in the same form, it is Ayub who is again moving two places, which is first one is 9.3 kilometer and another one is 11.8 kilometer. So first you will add both the distances which is given in the question and you will find out that how much total Dinesh is moving and how much total Ayub is moving. Very good. Nupur has written here that Dinesh is moving 20.2 kilometer and Ayub is moving 21.1 kilometer. Now, as you all can see, Dinesh is moving less and Ayub is moving more. ठीक है, and question में यही पूछ रहा था बेटा that who traveled more by how much? How much के लिए what will you do? You will just subtract 21.1 minus 20.2. Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples, ठीक है, and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? ठीक है, very simple question again. यहाँ पर दो अलग-अलग person है, two separate peoples are there and both the persons are purchasing the fruits. One has taken apple and mango and whereas another one has taken banana and oranges. So just what you need to do, you have to total the first one. In the case of first one you have to total and the same thing you have to add for the second case also. And adding both these, just tell me who has bought more apples. I want every one of you to solve. You just need to you just need to do subtraction in question number 9 because it's just telling how much is less. So you have to do 42.6 minus 28 kilometer, which will give us 14.6 kilometer. Beta, this is the question number 3 of this exercise, which I told you that I will tell you. Look at here now. The question is telling 5 centimeter is written over here. You have to convert 5 centimeter in meter also and in kilometer also. So what we will do, we do it one by one. सबसे पहले you are knowing that centimeter के बाद आता है meter, है ना? Like you can call it centimeter and meter are close by, है ना? So here 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, which everyone knows. But our question is in centimeter and we are converting into meter. It means we are doing smaller unit to greater unit. And the smaller to greater unit जब हम जाते हैं बेटा, we just simply divide. It will be divided by 100. It will be divided by 100. And when you will divide it, it will give you 0.05 meter. This will be in meter now. ठीक है, 0.05 मीटर. ये तो हो गया हमारा in meter. ठीक है. Now question is telling you have to convert this in kilometer also. So for kilometer बेटा मीटर वाला ले लेते हैं हम. ठीक है, because मीटर से किलोमीटर में will be a very close relation. ठीक है, सेंटीमीटर से किलोमीटर जाने में it will be take little time. But in kilometer के लिए अगर हम मीटर से डायरेक्ट जाएंगे, it will be easy for us. So now you are knowing the question is in now meter. Now you need to convert into kilometer. And remember, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 1000 meter means what you will just do it? You will just divide it by 1000, this one only. So 0.05 divided by 1000, and then this question will convert into directly in kilometer. How will you do that? 2 zeros, place is already decimal is placed, 3 more zeros are here, so the correct answer will be 2 zero के पहले लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे 2 0 3 0 और ऐड हो जाएंगे. हाँ, finished. Before 2 places it was already placed. 3 zeros more you are dividing, so it will include 3 more zero into it, so it will give you 0.00005 kilometer. Finished.